Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 in Chickii. First, download and install the Chickii application on your device, whether it's a phone or tablet. Next, create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. Once inside, use the search bar to find Euro Truck Simulator 2. Before launching, make sure you have a strong, stable internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, for the best streaming experience. Once the game loads, you'll need to set up your controls. You can connect a Bluetooth gamepad for a more traditional experience, or utilize the intuitive on-screen touch controls provided by Chickii. Take a moment to adjust the in-game graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Don't forget to personalize your truck with various paint jobs and performance enhancements to make it truly yours. The core of Euro Truck Simulator 2 involves accepting and completing delivery jobs. You'll transport a wide array of cargo across thousands of miles of European roads, from bustling cities to scenic countryside. Remember to obey traffic laws, manage your fuel levels, and avoid collisions to keep your truck in top condition. Successful deliveries earn you money, which is crucial for buying new trucks and garages. To truly master the game, explore the wide selection of truck models and specialized trailers available. Engaging with the Euro Truck Simulator 2 community can provide valuable tips and even opportunities for multiplayer convoys. Always plan your routes strategically to optimize delivery times and maximize your earnings. As your business grows, invest in upgrading your garages and hiring additional drivers to expand your virtual trucking fleet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.